Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is a very interesting video. Today I will show you how to make money by selling AI art. This is 100% legal. I will show you step by step what you can do to actually go and create AI art and make money with AI art. So as you can see, we are using midjourney for this example. And as you can see, I generated basically from two of the images, I generated 4 of these images, right? And what I can do is I can sell them as a wall art, right? So as a wall art. So for example, this is an image that I have right here. I can actually open in browser, I can save it, and then what I can do, I can sell it on Etsy. I will show you how. So for example, as you can see here, if we type in wall art on Etsy, and by the way, you can open a store on Etsy very easy. I opened my store as well. And as you can see here, people are already selling AI art right here for $93. This is insane. So for $93, then we have, if we scroll down, we can see some of the art like this, right? Or maybe like this, right? So there are a lot of art. So for example, this, what I generated in midjourney is a abstract art. So what we can do is we can type in abstract wall art, right? Print, right? And what we can do is we can type in that, right? And as you can see, here is all the abstract art. For example, this one, right? We have this one. So you can actually go and you can actually package your art, AI generated art, in a wall printable art, right? All you need to do is sign into Etsy, right? And for example, as you can see, a lot of people are already selling this type of art. So let me just go back to the wall art here, and let me show you this one, for example. As you can see, this is a AI generated art, right? This is basically how it looks like, right? And basically this is a shop or a store that is already selling AI art. For example, go here to 303 Studios. We can see right here that we have all the AI art right here, which is pretty awesome, right? So you can actually do that on Etsy, which is insane, to be honest, right? I don't think a lot of people know this, but this is a great side hustle if you want to start one. So basically, yeah, you need to create an art, then you need to go and sign into Etsy, and then you need to create a listing with your art. So that's pretty much it, right? This is how you can make money by selling AI art, 100% legal, and how you can make, at least, 3, 5 to 10K even a month doing this, because these people or these people, for example, Christine, she has a shop and she's probably making a lot of money off of it already. As you can see, 1,000 sales already. So yeah, this is definitely making money opportunity. So definitely comment down below if this is interesting to you. I can give you some of the details and tips because I did sell Etsy AI art before. But if you have any questions, you can always comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.